In a world full of boring people, zombies, and bad hair, two women stand alone. Jane and Judy, the first identical twins born after World War II in Louisville. Their birth heralded a new beginning, the dawning of awesomeness. Beautiful, badass, bodacious bombshells Jane and Judy will live on in the annals of Chicago commuter train lore. The stories shall be told in future times of these fierce warrior twins. Jane shall never be forgotten by the airlines, as Newt Gingrich still has a goose egg on his head, like a mark of the beast to prove it. And never forget Hubert Heaver. Don't mess with these bad mamma jammas. Happy Mother's Day.